game.
Good evening. Congratulations to my players for the effort and for the win.
Sveikinu savo žaidėjus už pastangas ir pergalę.
It was a game where we showed some moments of the game we're supposed to play.
Tai šiose rungtynėse buvo tokių momentų, kaip mes turėtume žaisti.
I think that we allowed Cholet to be competitive and to be in the game according to one fact and that's offensive rebounding.
Kad mes leidome Cholet, sakykime taip, išlikti konkurencingais mums dėl puolime atkovotų kamuolių.
From which they score a lot of second chance baskets.
Dėl to įmetė daug antrų mėginimų taškų.
Which is generally their strongest weapon in this EuroLeague edition. This is their strongest weapon and we were like focused on that before the game, but simply this is the task which we didn't make today.
Mes apie tai žinojome, bet mums įgyvendinti šito nepavyko užduočių, kad apsiginti nuo jų pakartotinių metimų.
Okay, something good was in this game. That was the effort of most of the players was on the level of needed.
Gerai tai, kad daugumą žaidėjų šį kartą stengėsi ir darė tai, ką jie gali daryti.
Most of the game we had concentration on some things what we were trying to implement inside of the game. We play a little bit shorter rotation because of two guys on the bench, Jerry Johnson and Jonas. Jerry, how you know, is back from a 2-month of break because of the injury, and still it was risky to put him inside, although we would try, but this morning he felt some kind of problem, so he was not inside.
Šį kartą teko versti su mažiau žaidėjų, Jerry Johnson ir Jonas Valančiūnas negalėjo žaisti. Jerry Johnsonas po traumos beveik pasveiko, bet ryte šįryt pajuto skausmą ir dar nedrįsom jo leisti.
Also, Jonas said to me before the game that he is ready to play, but you know, like in the moment when he has his first sprain of ankle, you know, it's too big risk for risking him and his career. And we were trying to save him. Maybe he will not even go to Ukraine.
Jonas pasakė, kad jis pasiruošė žaisti, bet kadangi tai jo pirma rimta čiurnos trauma, yra labai rizikinga vėl įstaigiai leisti į kovą ir rizikuoti jo karjerą ir galbūt jisai net nevažiuos į savaitgalio rungtynes VTB lygos Ukrainą.
Also, Jomantas practically didn't practice normally since the last game in LKL, and we use him as less as possible also to try to give him some time to recover because of some injury in the game against Utena.
Jomantas taip pat buvo traumuotas per rungtynes Utenoje ir jis nuo to laiko beveik nesitreniravo ir mes irgi turėjome jį patausoti, kad jis atsigautų.
And that's it. One more time, congratulations for all of my players and staff for the effort they make tonight. We keep our chances live in EuroLeague and it's still something in our hands.
Mes dar išsaugome savo šansus EuroLygoje ir dabar daug kas yra dar mūsų rankose. Bus klausimų?
Why Šikšnius didn't play? He's not ready for EuroLeague?
Simply rotation was going this way. Listen, we are a little bit overnumbered on some position, you know, and I cannot, you know, like I'm deciding for the players. I think that they can contribute according to the win, you know. We don't have a space, you know, and I just jumped in from the plane to the EuroLeague game, you know, and some things I know, some things I meet in the past period behind us, and I think how the league is going and how the season is going deeper, I think both of them, Simas, Butalevičius and Šikšnius, is going to get their chance.
Šį kartą buvo toksai pasirinkimas, tiesiog buvo žaidė tie žaidėjai, kuriuos aš maniau, kad jie bus naudingesni, bet sezonas ilgas ir Butalevičius ir Šikšnius tikrai gaus savo šansą.
And I want to say thank you for the crowd because we are definitely another team when the gym is full.
Ir ačiū sirgaliam, mes esame tikrai kitokia komanda, kai turim stiprų palaikymą. Ačiū.